Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 22. In this project, we're gonna take some acrylic and we're gonna take this art method or this art technique that's called gold leafing, and we're gonna put them together. And make sure you stay to the end of this video because I will be selecting the winners to the We the Best charm. I'm gonna show y'all everything I'm gonna use in this project, so let's get off into it. In this project, we're gonna use some metal leaf adhesive. I got this out of Hobby Lobby. You're gonna need some type of foil paper right here. This is the gold leaf paper right here. I got this out of Michael's right here. You're gonna need a little brush to kind of move the adhesive around. And I have this charm right here, been having right here for a while. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make the crown gold. Okay, so we got the charm ready. So basically what we're gonna do is gonna just take the adhesive and pour a little bit on there. The brush seems kind of too big, so I'm gonna use a piece of a plastic fork that I tore off a piece of plastic, and I'm gonna use this to distribute it around. So once you got it all distributed around, you wanna let it sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes. All right, it's been about 45 minutes and I let it dry. And as you can see that it kind of dries clear, as you can see. Let me let it focus a little bit, there we go. It dries kind of clear. So there it is. Okay, so you take the sheet, and so you don't waste the whole sheet, you just cut it to the size that you kind of need. That's what I did. I just cut it. Since it's a small piece, so you don't waste all of the sheet. So I just cut it to a smaller piece. Okay, so you just put it right on top of it. Press down nice and firmly. That's all you do. And then you just peel off the, I guess it's masking, you peel off this. Just peel it off. And then you take like a brush or something like this, and you just flake it off. Like you just brush it off. And wherever you have the adhesive at, that's what it sticks to. Yeah, there you have it, man. Nice little gold effect to put onto your charms or your pieces. Yeah, nice little gold effect. There you have it. But before we end this project, we gotta get off into the giveaway, the We the Best charm. So let's get off into it. All right, so I'm using this tool buddy to pick a winner through the comments. They have a tool on here where you can pick a winner. So I'm gonna use this. So let's get off into it. Just in Time 3D Print is the winner of the mirror acrylic. Phillip Tran is the winner of the metal look. Ryan is the winner of the engraved glitter. Ariel Stevens is the winner of the glitter. There you have it, project number 22 complete, gold leafing acrylic. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe. And winners, be on the lookout for a message from me. I will be contacting you, and I'll see you in the next project. In this project, we're gonna take some acrylic, and we're gonna take this art thing that I found. What is